The malloc function takes one argument, so the correct option is 1. Macros avoid function call overhead, which can make the program run faster for simple tasks. So that's the main advantage. Question number 2 का सही जवाब है macros avoid function call overhead. ये इसका मुख्य फायदा है. Question number 3 का जवाब है void. The memory allocation functions return a pointer of type void. Created from heap or free store cannot be returned back to the system unless explicitly freed using functions like free and delete operators. So the last option is correct. Constructor is a special type of function which has no return type. So the last option is correct. Automatic type checking for parameters is also done for inline functions. So the third option is correct. The dynamic memory allocation uses heap, whereas static memory allocation uses stack. So the third option is correct. Once you have defined a symbolic constant value using define, that value cannot be changed during program execution. So the first option is correct. The primary purpose of a class in C++ is to define a user-defined data type with data members and methods. So the first option is correct. The bitwise OR operation is performed using the single vertical bar symbol. So the second option is correct.